Hey, glad you could make it. Let's check out what London looks like during lockdown. Welcome to Marble Arch. Let's go. Come on, keep up. Just listen to how peaceful and quiet it is. So calm. Welcome to Kensington Palace. And as you can see, the gates are closed, and when they're open, there are some nice gardens over there, which I recommend you check out when you visit. Let's go. This is the Royal Albert Memorial, and if you look behind you, you'll see the Royal Albert Hall as well. So we made it to Buckingham Palace. I could have filmed this with a 2D camera, but in 360 video, it's a whole different experience. You just wouldn't see it like it is in a 2D video. Highly recommend you put on the VR headset if you're watching on YouTube, and you will feel like you're actually here. Have you ever seen Trafalgar Square this empty? We're now in Leicester Square. This is where the red carpet's rolled out, where there's the premieres, and it's just completely deserted. Let's keep going. Piccadilly Circus, but not as we know it. Now we're in Chinatown. It's just completely deserted. This is Regent Street. Now we're in Carnaby Soho. Welcome to Oxford Circus. If you look up, you'll see London Eye.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's carry on down the river. What a great view of the river. Just check out the skyline. This is the bridge you would have saw in the Harry Potter movie. And if you look behind you, you'll see the Tate Museum. This has got to be one of the best views of London. Over there you've got Tower Bridge, Tower of London, walkie-talkie building. If you look behind you, you'll see you're on Tower Bridge. So look up to see it.
There's a roof garden on the top now.
This is definitely one of the best places to see the Shard. Look up. and you'll see Monument. And if you want to, you can actually buy a ticket to go up there and look at the view. Welcome to Leadenhall Market. Take a look up at St. Paul's Cathedral. Welcome to the Tower of London.
Just remember the break.
Yeah, man, it's getting busy now, so I'm going to start making my way back. But I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe for more awesome 360 videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.